on some yellow dickies. I knew he was a huffy cause his neck had hella hickeys. I said it's nice to meet you, shook his hand and it was sticky. I looked into his eyes and then that's when it hit